WhatsApp has a cool feature that allows you to send view once photos to anyone so that they can view it one time and then it immediately disappears. I'll show you exactly how to do that. Now, I'm on my iPhone, but you can do the exact same steps on an Android as well. Let's open up the WhatsApp app and then just hop into a conversation. I'm just going to message my Android phone here. Now, you can either take a photo live or upload a photo. I'm going to first just take a photo live. So tap on the little plus here, and then I'm going to tap on camera. You can see it pops up with the little camera, and I'm just going to take a photo of my desk. Now, normally, if you were to send this, it would just be in the chat, and they would be able to re-see it and whenever they want. However, right above the send button next to add caption is a 1. If I tap on that, you can see it says view once messages. And now 1 is highlighted. If you ever wanted to turn that off, just tap on it again to go back to the normal mode. But once you do tap on it, I'll show you how it works. Tap the send button. Now, you can see it says photo and it has a 1 next to it. It doesn't show the photo in the actual message, and the other person, when they tap on it, they'll be able to see it just one time. Now, let's say you want to instead upload a photo. You can do that as well. So tap on photos instead, and let's say I wanted to send a photo of this beach. You can see at the bottom, of course, I can add a caption, and next to the send is the 1 again. I can tap on it to select it, and now it is highlighted 1. And if I tap on the send button, again, it sends it as a view once photo. If you're curious to see whether they have viewed that photo, you can see the check marks to the right. If you swipe to the left, you can see if it has 1 check mark or 2 check marks, it's been delivered. If it has 2 blue check marks, it's been seen. And if it has the circle with the dots, it's been opened. And then, of course, deleted after that. I hope this helps. I know your time is valuable, so thanks for spending a little bit of it here with me today. And I hope to catch you on the next one.